Hi, I'm Brad Gill with Next Home Lifestyles. Welcome to another Lifestyles listing. Today, I'm really excited to be taking you on a tour through this wonderful 1950s California ranch-style home located right here in the Dry Creek neighborhood of Willow Glen.
Nestled within the heart of prestigious Willow Glen, this remarkable single-level residence graces an expansive 10,000 square foot lot along a picturesque tree-lined street, presenting a wealth of possibilities. With roots dating back to the early 1950s, this orchard-style dwelling stands as one of the original homes within this exclusive enclave. While many of its counterparts have undergone extensive renovations or complete transformations, this tranquil oasis along the serene Dry Creek Road remains an icon of timeless allure. Step inside and you'll be welcomed by a spacious and effortlessly flowing floor plan, boasting 3 generously appointed bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a sprawling 2,100 square feet of living space. Further enhancing the allure, an attached 2-car garage and an expansive backyard retreat await your arrival. Entertaining is easy in the spacious living and dining room, highlighted by a cozy fireplace, large picturesque windows, and gorgeous luxury vinyl flooring. This open concept family room, highlighted by a vaulted ceiling, connects to the expanded kitchen, creating an ideal space for accommodating everyday living. Updated with stainless steel appliances, skylight, and center island, the kitchen offers lots of countertop space and plentiful storage. Moving down the hallway, you'll find 3 well-sized bedrooms, ensuring ample space for relaxation and privacy. As well as a hall bathroom offering a bathtub. The primary bedroom suite offers an ensuite bathroom featuring a shower stall. Accessible through the kitchen and the family room, this backyard retreat offers a spacious stamped concrete patio, perfect for outdoor dining and entertaining. The mature landscaping, including a citrus tree that has the most delicious oranges, adds to the tranquility of the space. And there's plenty of room for a backyard garden. A large storage shed at one side of the yard provides opportunity for a future ADU or home office space, and a gated entry at the other offers room for storing recreational vehicles. Residents of this neighborhood benefit from an incredibly commuter-friendly location within Silicon Valley, as they are within close proximity to major technology employers, just steps from the distinguished Bookson Elementary School, as well as within close proximity of popular downtown Willow Glen, featuring sidewalk cafes, coffee shops, restaurants, and small boutiques.
It's been a real pleasure showing you around this wonderful home today. I'm Brad Gill with Next Home Lifestyles, and I'd like to invite you to come see it in person. Thank you so much for watching.
Find your next home today, exclusively at 1901 James Place in Willow Glen.